Yo, what's up mga kabako? Welcome back. So today is the 23rd of April. Sa mga nakakilala sa akin, alam niyo na kung anong meron sa date na to. So anyway, just a quick update. Karoon kami ng liga ng Hoopsters. Ito yung Sunday Club na extended family na rin namin when it comes to basketball. So yung sumali kami sa liga. Hindi naman siya talaga yung mabigat na liga, pero syempre liga is still liga, 'di ba? Everything is official, may referees and all, stats and all. And fortunately, we came up as the champions of that liga. So congratulations sa Hoopsters. Masaya yung experience kasi it's combination ng youth and experience. Aside from that, meron kaming tatlong mag-aama na naging magkakampi. Meron kaming magtito, kami naman ni kuya, syempre magkapatid. So nakakatuwa lang siya na kumbaga it's rin, in a way family oriented yung team, yung pagkakabuo ng team. So nakakatuwang experience. Tapos yun nga, actually yung ibang part naman ng magpinsan pa pala kasi si Timmy yun, syempre pinsan namin. So yun, magpinsan, magtito, mag-ama, magkapatid. Yun, so masaya yung experience na experience pa namin. And yun nga, it was a season sweep. Nakachamba kaming walang nakatalo sa amin for the whole season. So ito lang yung konting clips from the finals game, tsaka syempre yung pictures na share ko. So eto na siya. So, ayun na nga. Diba? Ganun lang. Basic. Hindi, joke lang. Ayun nga. So, nakakatuwa lang yung experience kasi nga, yung liga is competitive pa rin naman siya kasi halo-halo eh. May mga bata kayong mga kalaro as in siguro half our age. But meron pa rin naman kasi syempre mga players na talagang marunong talaga, mga talentado talaga sila. So, it was a really nice experience. It's a nice day today. So, yun lang naman. It's been a while since the last time na nag-share ako ng update. Not sure kung pang-ilan na to for this year, pero yun lang naman. Once in a while, I'll be doing this. Nagsisipag-sipagan tayo with regards to editing and all. Gar, meron ka bang sasabihin sa mga kabakal natin? Nothing? Are you sure? Okay, so wala na sasabihin si Gargar, si Sir Gargar. At busy na naman siya. So, hanggang dito na lang yung aking update. Always keep safe and see you soon. Bye!